Welcome again to Dreamers Blog. Dreamers Blog. Welcome guys, and any sender saying heart. Everything is hard because whenever we react on Ayu Tingni ma'am, then we always think about love, only love, and that's why heart. Thank you, Annie Senda. And now today we are going to make reaction on Ayu Tingni ma'am again. Before we make reaction on tub, and now amor it's like Spanish, right? Amor means sayang. Sayang. I think amor. Te amo means I love you. Yeah. Now let's make reaction. We will talk after. I have to read. I mean, did this I don't know how to say. My hair I'll always make me annoying. So guys, what is this? First this, then this. Now let's start the video, guys. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. And don't look at my hair. No. Now 1, 2, 3, and play. Oh wait, play. You're doing it. Like this. He always walk like this. Ruben also. Amor. Nice perspective. Maybe I will teach them. I always ask whenever he is bored. Smile. I think I need to make this video on one. I already make Ayu Balbec Corona. I will make it my nice step like this. Oh guys, Ayu Tingni ma'am is always great. Mantap Karen, I always told you guys. And someone told me, Amor. She always sing that song when she opened the show. Is that true? If yes, then please. Do you know what I want to say? I am saying, comment me below that. Is that right? If yes, then it's mind blowing, guys, because that song is my favorite now. Amor. And wow. And please tell me which song I have to make as my ringtone, phone ringtone. Pala Cinta, Sesakisu, Sesepi. Oh, I forget. Kamu. I am thinking if I make cover song like Ayu Tingni ma'am, kamu kita namu, adu. With change the tune like kamu. adu kamu. Dizzy. Oh, guys, she is mind blowing. I have to meet with Ayutingdi ma'am first. Then we will make blog, and we will also make blog whenever we meet with Ayutingdi ma'am. But please tell me she will meet with me because I am really biggest fan. If I go Ayutingdi ma'am house, then watchman will be say, "Hey, who are you? Don't go." If yeah, that if like that, then I have to grow my YouTube channel that everyone will know me. Then Ayutingdi ma'am, it's easy for me to meet with Ayutingdi ma'am. But we will never ever give up. We will come to Indonesia. I have to land on Jakarta and then Depok, right? Depok. Jakarta near from Depok. That's why. Then we will meet with Ayutingdi ma'am and we'll eat lunch, dinner, breakfast. But if Ayutingdi ma'am will say, you have to cook. Oh my god. I have to learn how to cook Indian dishes, then she will impress. Because I Ayutingdi fan dari India. And guys, see you next video. But we have to read comments. I forget to read. Now let's read comments. Otherwise you will angry. You will say, why not pick my comment? Okay, now let's read comments. Hard now. Flora Orja saying the other one is Julia Perez, but she passed away. They are close friends of Ayu. Ayu always sings beautifully, but feeling any emotional when she sings this song. She just broke up with Shire Sheikh. Oh my god. And that's why Ayu and her close friends. Grand. Okay, before I react on Ayu, Jaskia, Gotik, and Julia Perez, and I just know Julia RIP, that it's okay. That's why they crying, because Ayutingdi ma'am just broke up with Shire Sheikh, and I know everything about Ayutingdi and Shire Sheikh relationship, and hope they will come together, and I will help, and we all will help actually. If they have still feeling, then we will keep sending message to them. And also guys, please send a message to Arjit Singh that she can collab with Ayutingdi ma'am. It will be awesome if they are together. They are both are my favorite, and Fildan also. And Fildan sir, Ayutingdi ma'am, Bait and Peto, Arjit Singh, Sonu Nigam. It's a perfect collaboration. Next from Noor Rochma, heart on ice, then swag. And thank you, Noor Rochma. Next from Fikri Smart. Thank you. Teri makasih Fikri Smart for comment me, guys. Your comments always motivate me. Please comment me, and I will pick your comment on display. Hope you will comment first, because it's easy for me, because I took screenshot whenever I took first 5 comments, and then auto generate comments. Okay. I mean auto generate, I mean auto pick comments from you, then I pick on display. Okay, now let's see you next video, guys. Don't forget to follow Ayutingdi ma'am 92, Ayutingting 92 username in description, and my Instagram username also. Okay, now see you next video, guys. Bye bye. Aku cinta padamu everyone.